Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to change your Google account's gender. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to simply click on here, my phone settings right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to Google. So click on Google. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on your email account right here. So click on that. And the next thing you need to do is to click on Google account. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to personal info. And the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to gender right here. Click on gender. And it's going to take you to gender section right here. Right here, you can choose any of the gender you belong to. Once you choose your gender, click on save and you are done. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply change your Google account gender. I hope you really got fun for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.